Hi again, I hope you're having a good day. I have a really quick tip for you today about how to stay hydrated, or one method to help you stay hydrated all day long. This is something I've been doing for the last couple days, and I feel like it has really helped me not only stay hydrated, but also be more mindful about my phone usage. So to do this, all you need is a water bottle and your phone. And what you're going to do is every time that you check your phone for any reason, you're going to take a sip of water. I found that I drank 1.5 liters in about 3/4 of a day. So it was about until 7 p.m. that night that I had checked my phone so many times and taken so many sips of water that I had gone through 1.5 liters of water, which is great because I got my water intake in, but it also made me a little bit more mindful of how much I was checking my phone. So this tip has two benefits. This also works best if you have a water bottle with a spout like this or one with a straw, because I started doing this with one with a screw-on cap, and I found it was just really clumsy to undo the cap, take a drink, and put it back on. So I recommend water bottles with a spout. So give this tip a try, see if it helps you stay more hydrated, see if it helps you be more mindful about how much you're checking your phone, and let me know how it worked for you down in the comment section. Hope this tip was helpful for you, and I will see you again in another video very soon. Bye!